Okay, I'm gonna ride this killer motorcycle right here. It's gonna be awesome.
Seriously, Coin?
First quarter. Second quarter, here we go. Let's see. It really had a lot of force. It's like 1 or 2, 15 G's.
How old are you now?
Oh my gosh, I'm 11 years old. Oh, this is the most rigorous one.
And what's your name?
Oh, my name is Brandon Thomas.
What school do you go to?
I'm an official doofus. I go to WT School. I mean, Southeast. This is so wonderful. It's so long. This
I told you gonna have to
just go. It just keeps on going. When will it never stop? When will it never stop? It's too long.